Hey guys, my name is Ashley. Welcome to my channel. It is Ashley Coaxum. I'm so glad that you guys are here today. So today we are actually finally decorating my kitchen for the summer. Yes, long overdue, but you guys are here. I'm glad you stopped by. If you're new here, hey girl, hey boy, welcome to the channel. Be sure to subscribe because you're gonna love it here, okay? You're gonna love it. We do vlogs, mom life, lifestyle, travel, seasonal decoration, all of the things, okay? All of the things that you're trying to do to help your lifestyle. So yeah, that's my lifestyle. But if y'all are into that, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you over here. We would love to have you here. For my subscribers who's been here, y'all know I love y'all the long way. Yes. Shout out to us, okay? Because we're moving on up. We're moving on up. So you don't want to miss nothing that your girl are going to be dropping and going to be here to come in the future. Yeah, with all of that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what we're going to be using today in the video. And I'm going to show you guys what the kitchen looks like. Clean slate, nothing in it. So we can get a, you know, a now and then a then. Like a now and then a reveal. So yeah, let me get off here so I can show y'all enough of this chatter. So here's just an overview of what we'll be using in this video today. I've already shown a haul. If you haven't watched that video, please be sure to watch that so you'll know where I got every item from. But I've already showed you guys what the kitchen looks like before the decorating begins. But again, this is some of the items I will be using. I am doing boho inspired because that's what I did in my living room and they kind of flow together. I love to start over in this corner when I'm decorating my kitchen. It's just a good starting point. I love to put like a nice little picture or a nice flower in this corner when I'm taking pictures from the living room area back here. That this area just always looks really pretty with something in the corner. So from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. This season, I'm just loving the whites, the neutrals, the woods. I'm just loving this in my home. The white baby breath that I just added just gives a nice little simple touch. It's just a really nice, simple, elegant, clean, airy look in your kitchen or your home. I just love decorating with those. Moving along to my sink area, I found this little stand at Target Dollar Spot, I believe, last year. I almost forgot that I had it. I didn't want to purchase anything else, so I just kind of used what I already had. Always remember to shop your home. And then I got this little cute little vase here from Dollar General, and I think it just tied in so great with my boho inspired theme. I'm also adding in for a cute little touch my snake plant that my mother bought me for Mother's Day. If you guys don't know, I'm a plant mommy. My mom loves plants and she's passed it on to her daughter. I love me some. As you can see, I moved along to this corner where I'm decorating my 4 shelf stand that I found years ago. I love putting little knickknacks or whatnots on this shelf. As you can see, it's tying in together with all of my color scheme, the creams, the greenery. And then I'm moving along to my table where I'm adding my wooden vase. And I have 2 of these. If you keep watching, you will see how all of the decor just flow together so cohesively and give you that boho inspired look. Moving along here to my bar area, I love to add a nice fresh floral piece here. It could be fresh flowers or it could be stem picks. It could be long stems, whatever you like. But here I'm putting some long stems. I like to bend them instead of cutting my stems in case I want to use them in different style vases in the future. That's just a key thumb to remember. You can always bend your stems, and I like to shape them to my liking, so you'll see me playing around to get them to be more like of my style. I just love how this tied in together with everything, with all of the colors. Moving along to this wall, oh my goodness, this is long overdue, you guys. I've been holding on to this boho piece that I'm going to be putting on this wall for weeks, probably a little over a month and I have actually. I wanted to do it with you guys because I wanted to be a part of the video, and I didn't really have all of my inspiration quite yet, so I held on to it. But now let's get into what it's going to look like. I cannot wait for the reveal because I love what it looks like looking at it, but I'm ready to see what it looks like on the wall, looking at it from the living room in that mirror to the kitchen. I'm just ready to see what it looks like. I know everything tied in together with all the colors and the dimensions and all of that. It's just going to look so good. Moving along to my stove, I forgot to film this part of the video, but here's my towels I decided to go with that tie in with my colors, khaki and white. Now I'm moving along to my counter next to my stove. I'm going to be adding some muffins in this nice little dish. I've always wanted one of these. I'm not a baker, but I just love the idea of having this on my stove or near my stove on the countertop and letting my family get muffins because they love muffins. And I think, you know, it's a cute little piece that tie in with my theme with the wooden look. So, yes, loving what it's looking like, you guys. If you're here this far, give me a big heart in the comment section. Let me know what's your favorite part so far because we're about to conclude the video. We're about to get ready to do the reveal. concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are here this far, thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't say it enough. You guys, I am so sorry for this summer video coming out so late. I've been having technical difficulties, but we're going to get this out and we're jumping right into fall or pre-fall. So stay tuned. It's still a little bit hot here in South Carolina, so it's kind of bizarre to start decorating for the fall, but I do need to at least start getting out there showing some inspiration. But again, if any of that interests you guys, please be sure to subscribe, like, share with a good friend, and please come back for some upcoming videos that we're going to be doing for the upcoming season, fall. And then after fall, we're going to jump right into Halloween. My birthday is in October, so I am planning, I'm kind of on the fence on what I want to do, but just know your girl going to get into some good seasonal decorating, and I would love to have you guys here. Until next time, you guys, bye.